What if the heaviness in your legs isn't from age, but from emotions your body never released? You know that feeling when your lower body just feels stuck? Like it's carrying more than your weight. Maybe your stress, your fatigue, even your worries. So many women feel this, but hardly anyone talks about it. Today, we're doing something totally different. One simple, gentle exercise that helps release that hidden tension. It's not a workout, not a stretch, but a calming daily ritual that supports your circulation, pelvic floor, and even your emotional balance. You don't need equipment or flexibility, just a few minutes and your attention. Trust me, this small movement can help you feel lighter, calmer, and more connected every single day. Let's get started. Benefit number 1, improves blood and lymph, flow in the pelvis and legs. Here's something many women don't realize. Your inner thighs play a huge role in your circulation. The muscles along your inner thighs, called the adductors, act like hidden highways for blood and lymph flow through your pelvis. Over time, especially after 50, these muscles get tight from sitting too much or simply not being used enough. When that happens, circulation slows down. That's when you start noticing heavy legs, swollen ankles, or numb feet. It's not that your heart isn't pumping. It's that the blood is getting stuck in traffic around your hips. And here's something even more important. Your lymph system doesn't have a natural pump. It relies on movement to drain waste, toxins, and inflammation from your tissues. When you do this stretch, you're waking up those muscles that help move lymph fluid through your pelvic area and legs. The result? Less puffiness, less stiffness, better joint mobility, and even stronger immune function. Many people say their legs feel lighter after just a few sessions, not because they lost weight, but because their body is finally circulating the way it should. Benefit number 2, strengthens bladder support and pelvic organ health. Let's talk about something many women deal with but rarely mention. That pressure, urgency, or need to get up several times at night to use the bathroom. After 50, changes in hormones and muscle tone can cause the pelvic floor to weaken. The muscles that once held everything in place start to lose strength, and the weight of daily life begins to press down on the organs below. Here's the empowering part. You can support those muscles without surgery, medication, or intense workouts. The butterfly stretch naturally activates the adductor muscles, the ones that affect pelvic alignment and bladder support. When these muscles get weak or stiff, they tug on the ligaments that keep your bladder in position. Over time, that can lead to urgency, leakage, or discomfort that you might not even realize comes from your hips. And it's not just physical. Women often describe a surprising emotional release when practicing this movement. The pelvic area is deeply tied to our feelings of safety, expression, and identity. When you release tension here, you don't just feel stronger, you feel more at peace. Imagine going to bed and waking up without those 2 a.m. bathroom interruptions. Imagine moving through your day without worrying about sudden urgency. That's the freedom this gentle exercise can begin to restore. And speaking of freedom, let's move to the next benefit. Did you know that this same movement can relieve back pain better than many massages? Benefit number 3, relieves lower back pain and loosens hip tension. If your lower back feels tight or sore, more often these days, you're definitely not alone. Back discomfort becomes incredibly common as we age. But here's the twist. It's often not your back that's the problem. It's your hips. Your adductors, those same inner thigh muscles, attach directly to your pelvis, which supports your entire spine. When they're tense or unbalanced, they pull the pelvis out of alignment. That small shift puts pressure on your lower back and can even cause discomfort while walking or standing. The butterfly stretch helps restore balance where it begins, at the hips. As you practice it, you might notice your hips start to feel freer. That dull, nagging pressure in your back starts to fade. Even simple things, like sitting or walking, feel smoother. Most people treat back pain by focusing only on the spine. But this movement treats the cause, not just the symptom. It's gentle enough to do daily, yet deep enough to make a lasting difference. Benefit number 4, releases deep emotional tension, and calms anxiety. Here's something you may never have been told. Your body stores emotion, especially in the pelvic area. When you experience stress, fear, or even long-term tension, your muscles tighten. And that tightness can linger for years without you realizing it. For many women, especially after 50, this tension shows up as anxiety, restlessness, or even a feeling of disconnection from your own body. The butterfly stretch offers a quiet way to release that. When you sit in the position and move your knees slowly, breathing deeply, something powerful happens. Your nervous system shifts. You're sending a message to your brain that says, "I'm safe now. I can relax." Scientifically, this happens because slow, rhythmic movement with deep exhalation activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the body's built-in calm mode. So yes, this one gentle movement can help both your body and your mind find their balance again. But the benefits don't stop there. Let's talk about posture and how this practice can literally help you stand taller and move more gracefully. Benefit number 5. Improves posture and eases pressure on the spine. We often think posture just means standing up straight, but it's really about how easily and confidently you carry yourself through life. As we age though, gravity feels heavier. Hours of sitting, tight hips, and a weakening core can slowly pull your body forward. The shoulders round, the chest caves in, and we start to shrink, both physically and emotionally. The butterfly stretch helps reverse that. By opening the hips and activating the inner thighs, you bring your pelvis back into balance. And since your pelvis is the base of your spine, everything above it starts to realign too. Your chest lifts naturally, your breath deepens, and your spine feels supported without strain. This stretch also creates a light, natural traction through your lower back, helping to gently decompress tight vertebrae and improve spinal mobility. You might even notice that sitting and standing start to feel more effortless. Benefit number 6. Restores pelvic vitality and supports. Graceful aging. When we talk about aging gracefully, we usually think about skincare or fitness. But the truth is, it's about energy. And that energy starts in your pelvic center. Your pelvic floor is like your body's foundation. It holds your organs, supports your spine, and connects to your sense of strength, creativity, and even confidence. With time, inactivity, and stress, that area can grow weak or numb. And it's not mystical, it's biological. Improved circulation and fascia release in the pelvis can influence hormone balance, posture, and even your mood. That's how aging gracefully truly begins. Not with more effort, but with better connection to your body. Now let's go over how you can practice this safely and comfortably, whether you're flexible or not. How to do the butterfly. Stretch start by sitting on a firm surface, a yoga mat, or even your bed if it's supportive. Sit tall, relax your shoulders, and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall gently outward. There's no need to force them down. Just let gravity do its thing. Hold your feet or ankles lightly with your hands. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, begin to slowly move your knees up and down, like gentle butterfly wings. Do this 30 to 50 times, slowly and comfortably. Focus on your breathing and keep your spine long. If sitting isn't comfortable, you can also do this lying down. Lie on your back, bring your feet together, and let your knees drop open. You can rest there or add tiny knee movements if it feels good. Listen to your body. The goal is release, not strain. A few minutes a day is more than enough to feel the difference. Who should avoid this? Stretch, even though it's gentle, it's not for everyone. If you've had recent pelvic or abdominal surgery, if you have severe osteoporosis, or if you're dealing with acute hip or groin pain, it's best to check with your doctor first. Always remember, healing comes from patience, not pushing. If something doesn't feel right, stop and seek medical advice before continuing. Closing thoughts. A small practice with big results. In a world that constantly tells us to move faster and do more, this one quiet practice is a gentle reminder to slow down, to reconnect with yourself. The butterfly stretch isn't about fitness goals or perfect form. It's about giving your body, especially the parts that have silently supported you for years. A chance to breathe, release, and be cared for. So if this resonated with you, take a moment to start today. Just 1 minute. Let it become a small daily ritual of care and calm. And if you felt something shift, even slightly, that's your body saying, thank you. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share this video with another woman who deserves to feel lighter and more at ease in her body and her. Your body is listening, and it's ready to feel good again.